visited the Hunter 350, and this is the new version. It's my brother Satyajit, and the new launch. Today is the new launch, and super bike. It's a Royal Enfield 350. You can see the new headlamp has changed. Now it's a LED headlamp, so you do not have to go for aftermarket. From the looks, it looks like a shotgun, little shotgun, I would say, the smaller shotgun version. On the side you have RE logo, and you have 350 written over here in very dynamic way. And if you look at the looks of the bike, it is different. If you see the brake has been changed or replaced with from BID, some other company. Harry's is the company name, and apart from this, you have stripper over here, and you see the mirror is unchanged. There is no change in the mirror. When it comes to the stickering, it looks very elegant. And I've seen the red version as well. I will post it in the later part of the video. When it comes to the braking, it's the same. But there is no option for test drive now because the vehicle is not registered. There is a change in the shock absorber in the back side. So this is one of the change where there are around 3 or 4 rings are more over here, which will give you more comfort during the long drive. The seat cushion is the same, I would say. Only they have changed I think this is a kind of a touring seat. I'm not sure, but it looks very elegant and it's different from the prior version, I would say. The comfort is the same. I have seen in both the bikes, the old one as the new one. The comfort is the same. When it comes to the other changes in this bike, the first change is this. The second change is this. And also I have heard that there is a change in the here if you see, change in the charger connector. It is a C-type now, you can see. And apart from this, looks very much a different bike altogether if you go for white versus black and with red dots. And I like the white bike very much, and then I'm going ahead for booking it. I hope you like the vlog. There is a second one which is of white version. You see the change over here is the same, which I have said, but yeah, the stickering is little different. It's white. If you like white blue color bike, then definitely you should go ahead with this. And there's another version which is red versus black, and you have red, and then you have stripes of black. That also looks very elegant, very different. But personally, for my opinion, it is this one which outstands out of the three. This is Elanka Bangalore, and this is the keep hunting logo over here for Royal Enfield 350, and you can check this scan for the details, and maybe you can still check the details in the brochures as well. And this is the launching ceremony. So thank you, and keep thank you very much for joining. Thank you. Bye bye.